Hello family, welcome back to Mama Ninja's kitchen, a kitchen filled with much love and everyday amazing adventure. So guys, welcome to all my new subscribers, my followers, and if this is your first time here, you are utmostly welcome. Yes, you will never have a dull moment when you get connected to Mama Ninja. Hit the like button, share the videos to your friends and your community, and subscribe if you have not done so you do not miss out on any of our great adventure. So guys, what do I have for you? What is for dinner? That is what I should ask. Guys, oh mine. We hooked this up last night for our family dinner and it was a hit. It was enjoyed by everyone. So guys, I felt the need to share this recipe with you all so that you also can hook this up for yourself, your family, and your loved ones. So what do I have? This is Chinese steak fried rice. Yes, Chinese steak fried rice. Better than carry out. Yes, write it down. Better than carry out steak fried rice. So guys, what do we need? Well, you will definitely need some beef. I am using some sirloin beef cut here. You will also need minced vegetables of your choice. For this recipe, I am using some julienne cut carrots, green and red, bell pepper, some green onions. Well, you don't want to leave out the rice. I am using Jasmine rice. So it's always best to use rice that was cooked the day before so the seeds are now separated. So guys, if you are not able to cook it the day before, cook it early in the morning, use it in the evening, the rice will be perfect. And that is what I'm doing here, okay? One of the reviews from this dish was that the beef was so moist and tender. So guys, how do you achieve that? Let's take a look at the beef. One, the selection of beef that you are purchasing, that you're going to use, is key. So here we have the tube sirloin cut, which of course is very soft already. Then we are going to cut it in very thin slices. Actually, I wouldn't call that cutting. You are shaving it off, shaving very flat thin slices of that beef, as you see me do. Okay, so you can see that is very thin, guys, very thin. And you want to cut also against the grain of the beef. What does that really mean? Cutting against the grain of the beef? Yeah, who does that? Yeah, we do if you want your beef to be really tender. So it's not tough when you are biting into it. So you want to cut against the grain. If the beef grain is vertical, you want to shave it off horizontally. On the other hand, if the grain is horizontal, you want to shave it off vertically. That is simply what it means. All right, our meat is ready. Now we are ready to season up this beef, guys. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of thyme. Fresh ingredients are 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and I have 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning powder. So all of that goes in. Next, we are going to add the soy sauce. I am using 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch as our binding agent. So you are actually making a slurry here. The cornstarch is to coat the beef so that It keeps that beef moist interiorly when you bite into it, and it is not dried out through the process of stir frying. So guys, that is the secret. Now the cat is out of the bag. You know what to do. Go for it and run with it. 1 teaspoon of steak seasoning. You know guys, I love me my steak seasoning. Yes, 1 teaspoon goes in there. Some red cayenne pepper to your tolerance. Some chili sea salt. And 1 teaspoon Chinese 5 spice. Mix the slurry together until fully combined. All right, guys, let's go for action. Action time. Yes, with stir frying, you need high heat, high speed, high action. So all your ingredients have to be ready, put together, and in line for action. So let's get at it. Once that oil has been heated up enough, I just added on some garlic, and that is 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Goes right in to once again fragrance that oil. Yes, guys, yes. So you want to watch out for this because of the high heat, this can quickly burn. So right on top of that, I am adding on the beef. Again, I do not want to overcrowd the pan. I am adding just enough to cover the bottom surface of the pan, and I will be breaking this beef into 2 batches to yield a better result. Again, I don't want the beef cooking with a lot of moisture. I want it to stir fry. That is the goal here. So once you apply your beef on, leave it on that surface. Do not try to be flipping it over and over. Give it time to cook and start getting coated before you flip it. So about 3 minutes into it, I am going to now turn my beef. So you see, so the side that is in contact with the pan is actually getting coated in golden dark color, and that is exactly what we are looking for. So once again, you want to give it time to do its job and perform that magic coating for you, because hey, that is the game changer when it comes to having a beef stir fry, for that matter. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and flip every pieces of that beef in the waffle pan. So once I do that, I'm going to once again leave the other side. Give it about 3 minutes contact time or more as you need, for it to cook and get glazed, over with that brown coating. All right, after 3 minutes, this is what we have, guys. I have flipped now the second side, and this is what you are seeing. I'm just gonna give it another 1 more minute here for me to get my desired glazing on majority of the beef before I take it out. Alright, what do you think, guys? The game of multitasking, which is what we all do best, right? So, pulling out that tool of multitasking here, I am going to stir fry the vegetables while I am at the same time working on the beef. Look at that. Who would have thought about that? Only you and I. Cutting down the cooking time in the kitchen. That's what this is all about, right? Yeah. So I'm going to just allow that vegetable to stir fry briefly, sweat a little bit, and then remove it from the stove. So that once it is time for me to combine all of the ingredients My vegetable is already done. So guys, look at that beef, just looking so yummy, yummy with all the dark glaze over it. Ooh, yeah. Yes, I can see some eyes in the kitchen eyeing this. I know you are eyeing it also. I have to hold myself not to finish eating this beef before I actually use it for the intended purpose. So guys, first batch is done. Now I'm going to move on to the second batch. So I'm just going to add on the beef again, one layer on the very surface of the pan using the same stir fry method, and then we will come back and complete this full cooking process. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere. All right, guys, I am back. Yes, back for the finale. The second batch is all done and ready. So I have now reintroduced the first batch back into the pan. Now it is time for me to add on every other ingredient that needs to go into this pot. All right, are you ready for the finale? Come on with me. Sesame seed oil that is going in first. I am using about 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. A little go a long way. The rice goes in. Next, we are going to add on our stir-fried minced vegetable. This vegetable, do you see the color, guys? Do you see that color? It is just impeccably delicious. Still remain crunchy, the color remain there, nothing is lost, maintaining those beta carotene. Oh yes, oh yes. And of course, our scrambled egg goes right in. And I'm going to add some balsamic glaze. So I'm doing 1 teaspoon of balsamic glaze goes right in, guys. Oh yeah, some balsamic that is needed for this stir fry rice. And some chili sea salt and 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning powder. Now let's work all of that magic together. So now we are going to just continually mix this all up. This is all a pot of goodies. Mix that all up until everything is fully combined and looking nothing short of yummy, yummy, yummy. So guys, I am just working that through. So I'm mixing it up. And if you love what you see, if you love this action work, guys, leave me a message below. And if this is your first time coming in to Mama Niger's kitchen, please do not hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe to be part of this wonderful, amazing family. Once you are connected to Mama Niger, there will never be a dull moment in your life, guys, because Mama Niger, you can always hook her up at a push of that button or at a click of the mouse.
Guys, I can only tell you that there are more eyes in this kitchen watching this steak fried rice than you will ever know, okay? They are just camera shy, so I can put them on the camera. But every mouth here is watering, and they are eager to pounce on this pot of rice once it is all finished cooking. So guys, and I can say it just the aroma, guys, is just amazingly inviting aroma. And I am just adding now my last ingredient, which is the chopped green onions. This is the green part of the onions that I have added in here, and that is just to enhance the color, presentation. And also added on 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, just to balance everything up. So guys, this was really delish. I just like the color, the freshness of the vegetables, how it all turns out. And the beef was just glazed, remarkably glazed. I have to, as a matter of fact, hide that beef so it can make it into the rice. That is how good it was. So guys, yeah, our steak fried rice, Chinese steak fried rice, is ready. And do you love what you see? If you do, leave a comment down below and tell me what you like about this rice. It is quick, easy, it is delicious. Look at that. I am just serving it now into that bowl so that we can have our dinner. Everybody has been waiting for this meal, and the good thing is they didn't have to wait for too long. In less than 30 minutes, it was all ready once the food prepping was done. So guys, bon appetit. We are going to enjoy this for our dinner, and I hope you can hook up yourself with some of these as well. And come back and let me know how you enjoyed it or what you did differently. Thank you for cooking with us once again at Mama Ninja's Kitchen, where adventures never end. If you have not subscribed, please click on that button and do so. What are you waiting for? We'd love to have you as a part of this family. Hit that like button if you love what you see, and share.